What animals have long legs and long toes, long necks, long beaks, and long wings? They build their nests in treetops. Have adorable babies and sometimes make funny sounds. You guessed it, wading birds. Hi everybody, I'm Miss Marcia with the St. Johns County Public Library System. Welcome to today's episode of Our Big Backyard. Today we're going to take a closer look at wading birds. Have you ever seen a wading bird searching for food? Why do you think they have such long body parts? Long legs keep their body high and dry. Long necks and long beaks help them reach down to catch the food. Some stand still like a statue and wait patiently. Others search actively, moving their legs and their bill through the water. Some wade through grassy areas and even lawns in search of bugs and grubs and snails. Many wading birds are named for the color of their feathers. This one is called a roseate spoonbill. Can you guess why? This one's called a green heron. And a white ibis. And a little blue heron. This one's called a tricolored heron. Do you see 3 colors? Some wading birds are active at night. They're called night herons. They are often heard flying to their feeding grounds at sunset. We have 2 kinds here, black-crowned night heron and yellow-crowned night heron. Are you as tall as the largest wading bird in St. Johns County? The great blue heron reaches 4 foot 4 inches tall with a wingspan of over 6 feet. Sandhill cranes sometimes drop in the winter months. with the largest wingspan reaching over 7 feet. Runners, take your mark. Get set, go! Wading birds have beautiful feathers, and they spend a lot of time caring for them. This is called preening. Running their beak through their feathers keeps their feathers neat and clean and waterproof. Some wading birds grow long, lacy feathers called plumes when they're ready to raise a family. They establish territories and defend them. Males find a good nesting spot and begin construction. Females take over the nest building, and the males bring the material, like vines and twigs. Wading birds make their nests in large groups called rookeries. The nests are usually high in trees on islands surrounded by water. This protects them from predators and people who might want to disturb or harm them. About 100 years ago, wading birds were hunted to near extinction for their beautiful plumes. The birds and their rookeries are now protected by law enforcement. We are fortunate to have the St. Augustine Alligator Farm here. There is a wading bird rookery there. You can watch them raise their young up close. They are used to people walking by and watching them, and they come back year after year. Alligators protect the birds from other predators. They do have to be careful not to get too close to the hungry jaws of the alligator. Some male birds perform dances to attract a female. Spoonbills often perform circles around the rookery to get noticed. The spoonbills have found a mate, and now they cuddle and affectionately clap their bills together. All types of male wading birds continue to gather nesting material and bring it to the female. They present it to her, and she continues to build the nest. Listen for the roar sound of the heron as it arrives at the nest. Once the nest is complete, the female will lay eggs. They will take turns keeping them warm until they hatch.
Yep, there she goes.
They turn the eggs to make sure they are evenly warmed and develop properly. The chicks are hungry and they call to their parents for food. The parents throw up food for the chicks to eat. Wading bird chicks are grown up in about 3 months. Each grown-up chick will learn to wade and hunt for itself. Their long toes, legs, neck, and beak will help them survive. Wading bird numbers are declining due mostly to loss of their wetland habitat and pollution. To learn more about wading birds and how you can help, check out books from your local library.
Thank you for watching today's episode of Our Big Backyard. I'm Miss Marcia with the St. Johns County Public Library System. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.